Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today we are continuing painting this beautiful figure. And you see on the videos what we paint, and of course we are continuing the painting base colors, okay, and then at the final we're going to rectify everything on this. Let me show the colors. You see the gold, it's the most bright. This is a middle tone and this is more dark, okay, the brass. So I will start with old brass, and as you can see some of the gold may go to the pants. It's because I'm going to do that later, that corrections. So now let's go here to the armor. Of course this is going to have lots and lots of highlights. Nice color, this foundry that I use. I love this foundry red, okay. And on the next we are going to start working again on the eyes, okay, and start highlighting all the metals, okay. You cut lots of parts, you can do it. Here on the helmet you can see there are lots of details, and we are going to work on this too, okay. And maybe I think the next video it's going to be easy. It's going to be more 2 videos for this and finish, okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and of course if you have any doubts, just reach me on WhatsApp or here on Facebook, of course, okay. Bye guys.